1. Expired pantry items. Clearing out expired pantry items is a simple yet crucial step in decluttering your kitchen. Even if you don't have a dedicated pantry space, checking your shelves and cupboards for items that have passed their expiration date is essential. Often, items can go unnoticed until they're past their prime, leading to wasted space and potential health risks. Regularly reviewing your fridge, spices, and canned goods helps you identify items that no longer hold value. By doing so, you create room for fresh, usable items and prevent clutter buildup. It's a practical habit that minimizes the chances of consuming expired or spoiled food. This process not only streamlines your cooking routine, but also promotes a healthier living environment. 2. Uncomfortable shoes. Uncomfortable shoes are more than just a style concern. They contribute to unnecessary clutter. It's easy to hold onto shoes that you rarely wear, thinking you might need them someday. However, this often results in a collection of footwear that takes up space without providing value. Identifying the shoes that genuinely bring comfort and align with your daily activities is essential. By decluttering uncomfortable shoes, you create room for the pairs that serve you well and reflect your preferred style. Don't let the allure of variety overshadow the importance of practicality and comfort. Prioritizing shoes that you actually wear reduces clutter, streamlines your morning routine, and allows you to focus on the footwear that enhances your overall well-being. 3. Uncomfortable bedding. Uncomfortable bedding can affect the quality of your sleep and contribute to bedroom clutter. Mattresses, blankets, pillows, and pillowcases that are worn out, allergenic, or made from uncomfortable materials need to be addressed. Quality sleep is vital for your physical and mental well-being, so keeping bedding that doesn't contribute positively to your sleep experience is counterproductive. Consider investing in bedding that promotes comfort and restfulness. Donate or discard bedding that's no longer serving its purpose and ensure you have items that align with your sleep preferences. Opting for materials that suit your comfort level and lifestyle can lead to better sleep and a more serene bedroom environment. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and continue this video by typing "I am frugal" in the comments below. 4. Unused or non-working electronics. Unused or non-working electronics can accumulate over time, taking up valuable space in your home. Old gadgets, chargers, and devices that you no longer use can be decluttered to create a more organized living environment. Holding onto electronics that have lost their functionality can lead to unnecessary clutter and difficulty in finding the items you truly need. Consider recycling or properly disposing of non-working electronics to free up space and ensure an uncluttered living area. For gadgets that are still functional but unused, assess whether they have any practical value in your current lifestyle. Discarding or donating such items not only declutters your space, but also allows someone else to benefit from them. 5. Used cookbooks, if not used. Cookbooks, while they can be valuable sources of inspiration, can quickly accumulate and contribute to clutter if not used regularly. In today's digital age, many recipes are easily accessible online, making physical cookbooks less essential. If you find that you rarely reach for your collection of cookbooks and instead rely on digital recipes, it might be time to declutter. Consider donating or gifting cookbooks that you no longer use to someone who might appreciate them. This not only frees up space in your kitchen or living area, but also ensures that your resources are allocated to items that align with your current needs and habits. 6. Single-use kitchen items. Single-use kitchen items, such as specialized gadgets or appliances designed for a specific purpose, can quickly accumulate and contribute to kitchen clutter. These items often take up space and are rarely used, leading to a less organized and functional cooking space. Before holding onto these items, consider their frequency of use and whether they truly enhance your cooking experience. Decluttering single-use kitchen items can create more room in your cabinets and drawers for versatile tools that you use regularly. Focusing on multi-purpose tools can streamline your cooking process and reduce the need for excessive clutter. Prioritizing functional, versatile items ensures that your kitchen remains efficient and clutter-free. 7. Excess coffee mugs. Excess coffee mugs are a common culprit of kitchen clutter. Many of us accumulate a collection of mugs over time, often receiving them as gifts or souvenirs. However, too many mugs can lead to overcrowded cabinets and difficulty in finding the ones you actually use and enjoy. Consider decluttering your mug collection by keeping only the ones that hold sentimental value or are frequently used. Reducing the number of mugs not only creates more space, but also ensures that your morning routine is more streamlined and enjoyable. Embrace minimalism in your mug collection, focusing on quality and practicality over quantity. 8. Unused board games. Unused board games can take up valuable shelf space and gather dust. While board games can be a source of entertainment, keeping ones that you rarely play can lead to unnecessary clutter. Assess your collection and consider donating or gifting board games that haven't seen the table in a while. By decluttering unused board games, you create room for the games that you genuinely enjoy and are likely to play with friends and family. Streamlining your collection ensures that your gaming experience is more enjoyable and that your living space remains organized and clutter-free. 9. Broken or mismatched Tupperware. Mismatched or broken Tupperware can contribute to kitchen disarray. Containers without matching lids or those that are damaged become inefficient for storing food. Sorting through your Tupperware collection and discarding the ones that are no longer usable helps create a more organized and functional kitchen. Consider investing in a set of high-quality, uniform food storage containers that fit well together. This not only optimizes your storage space, but also ensures that your food stays fresh and well-organized. Keeping a manageable and practical Tupperware collection simplifies your kitchen routine and prevents clutter buildup. 10. Unused exercise equipment. Unused exercise equipment can take up significant space and contribute to clutter in your home. Whether it's dumbbells, mats, or other fitness gear, items that remain unused become obstacles rather than aids in your fitness journey. If you haven't used these items consistently, it might be time to reconsider their place in your space. By decluttering unused exercise equipment, you free up room for activities or items that align with your current fitness routine. If you're not motivated to use certain equipment, consider selling, donating, or gifting them to someone who will benefit. This approach not only streamlines your living area, but also encourages a more mindful approach to your fitness goals. 11. Unused or uncomfortable sports clothes. Unused or uncomfortable sports clothes can accumulate in your wardrobe, taking up space and making it harder to find the items you truly enjoy wearing. If certain workout clothes no longer fit well, aren't comfortable, or don't align with your current exercise routine, it's time to declutter. By letting go of unused or uncomfortable sports clothes, you create room for activewear that you genuinely enjoy wearing. Prioritize clothes that make you feel confident and comfortable during workouts. This approach simplifies your wardrobe, makes getting ready for exercise more efficient, and ensures that your clothes contribute positively to your fitness routine. 12. Expired medications. Expired medications pose potential health risks and contribute to clutter in your medicine cabinet. Regularly reviewing your medication supply and discarding anything past its expiration date is essential for maintaining a safe and organized space. By decluttering expired medications, you ensure that your medicine cabinet only contains items that are safe and effective when needed. This practice promotes a healthier living environment and helps prevent accidentally using outdated or ineffective medications. Keeping your medication supply up to date and organized supports your overall well-being. 13. Neglected hobbies/tools. Neglected hobby supplies or tools that you haven't used in a while can take up space and contribute to clutter. If you've lost interest in certain hobbies or crafts, it might be time to assess whether you'll realistically return to them. By decluttering neglected hobby supplies or tools, you create room for activities that align with your current interests and passions. Passing on items to others who may find joy in them or donating them ensures that they're put to good use. This approach promotes an organized and purposeful living environment. 14. Excessive decorative pillows or blankets. Excessive decorative pillows or blankets can overcrowd your living space and make it feel cluttered. While these items can add a cozy touch to your home, having too many can become overwhelming and detract from the overall aesthetic. Consider decluttering excessive decorative pillows or blankets and keeping only those that truly enhance your decor and provide comfort. Prioritize quality over quantity, selecting pieces that align with your style and serve a functional purpose. This approach helps maintain a clean and organized living area, allowing your decorative items to shine without overwhelming the space. 15. Duplicates in utensil drawers. Duplicates of utensils in various rooms of your home, such as the kitchen or living room, can lead to unnecessary clutter. While having multiple sets of utensils might seem practical, it often results in confusion and disorganization. Consider decluttering duplicates and keeping only one set of utensils per room. This practice streamlines your space and makes it easier to find what you need when you need it. Prioritizing functionality and organization ensures that your utensil drawers remain tidy and efficient. 16. Unused phone apps. Unused phone apps can clutter your device's interface and use up storage space. Regularly reviewing your apps and uninstalling those you no longer use or need can improve your phone's performance and make it easier to navigate. By decluttering unused apps, you create a more streamlined and functional digital experience. Focusing on the apps that align with your current interests and activities prevents your device from becoming cluttered and ensures that your digital space is organized and efficient. 17. Old greeting cards and invitations. Old greeting cards and invitations can accumulate over time, taking up physical space and contributing to clutter. While some cards may hold sentimental value, keeping every card can lead to an overwhelming collection. Consider decluttering old greeting cards and invitations by selecting a few that truly hold special meaning. You can take photos of the cards for digital keepsakes or repurpose them into crafts. This approach allows you to cherish meaningful cards without letting clutter build up, promoting a more organized and sentimental living environment. 18. Outdated or unused beauty products. Outdated or unused beauty products can accumulate in your bathroom or vanity, taking up space and posing potential health risks. Regularly reviewing your beauty products and discarding those that are past their expiration date or no longer align with your skincare routine is essential. By decluttering beauty products, you create a more organized and functional space for your skincare and makeup essentials. Prioritizing products that enhance your daily routine ensures that you're using effective, safe items. This approach supports your self-care routine and maintains an uncluttered environment. 19. Excessive decorative items. Excessive decorative items can overcrowd your living space and lead to visual clutter. While adding personal touches to your home is important, having too many decorative pieces can make your space feel chaotic. Consider decluttering excessive decorative items and keeping only the ones that hold special meaning or align with your design aesthetic. Prioritizing quality and significance over quantity allows your decorative items to shine and contribute positively to your home's ambience. This approach promotes an organized and visually appealing living environment. 20. Excessive clothing accessories. Excessive clothing accessories, such as belts, hats, and jewelry, can lead to clutter in your wardrobe. Accessories that you no longer wear or that don't align with your current style can take up valuable space. Consider decluttering excessive accessories by keeping only the ones that you regularly wear and genuinely enjoy. This approach ensures that your accessories enhance your outfits and reflect your personal style. Prioritizing versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched reduces clutter and simplifies your dressing routine, allowing you to easily create stylish ensembles. 21. Unused digital files. Unused digital files can accumulate on your computer or devices, making it challenging to find what you need. Regularly organizing and deleting files you no longer use or need can improve your digital experience. By decluttering unused digital files, you create a more efficient and user-friendly digital environment. Organizing files into appropriate folders and deleting duplicates or outdated documents streamlines your work process and prevents digital clutter. This approach ensures that your digital space remains organized, making it easier to locate important information and files. 22. Neglected jewelry. Neglected jewelry pieces that you no longer wear can lead to clutter in your accessory storage. Jewelry that doesn't align with your current style or preferences takes up space without adding value to your wardrobe. Consider decluttering neglected jewelry items by donating or gifting them to someone who will appreciate them. This practice ensures that your accessory collection consists of pieces you genuinely enjoy wearing. Prioritizing jewelry that complements your outfits and reflects your personal taste reduces clutter and simplifies your accessory choices. 23. Excess bathroom products. Excess bathroom products, such as shampoos, conditioners, lotions, and skincare items, can clutter your bathroom space and make it difficult to find what you need. Hoarding products that you don't use regularly can lead to wasted space and an unorganized environment. Consider decluttering excess bathroom products by using up what you have before purchasing new items. Evaluate which products you genuinely use and enjoy, and discard those that are expired or seldom used. Keeping your bathroom essentials streamlined and well-organized ensures that your daily routine is more efficient and enjoyable. With these decluttering steps, you can create a more organized and purposeful living environment, allowing you to focus on what truly matters and eliminating the unnecessary clutter that can weigh you down. There you have it, 23 things to declutter right now. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Fintubertalks for more useful content. If you want to know more about decluttering and minimalism, click here, and thank you for your valuable time.